All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
In a bid to bring down the number of temporary residents in the country, Canada on Wednesday announced to further reduce the number of study permits it will grant to foreign students and also tightened its foreign worker rules, a move that will impact many Indians. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau posted on X, "We are granting 35% fewer international student permits this year, and next year, that number's going down by another 10%. Immigration is an advantage for our economy, but when bad actors abuse the system and take advantage of students, we crack down." According to Immigration Department data, Canada approved 5,09,390 in 2023 and 1,75,920 in the first 7 months of 2024, and the new move would reduce the number of international study permits issued to 4,37,000 in 2025. The changes would also limit work permit eligibility for spouses of some students and temporary foreign workers. The announcement comes as Trudeau's Liberal government, trailing in the public opinion polls ahead of the federal elections next year, seeks to reduce the number of temporary residents, including international students and foreign workers. In January, Canada had also placed a 2-year cap on international students. According to Statistics Canada, the biggest jump in immigration numbers comes from temporary residents, especially students and workers, whose ranks have doubled in just 2 years from 1.4 million in the second quarter of 2022 to 2.8 million in the second quarter of 2024. Canada has already pledged to reduce the number of temporary residents to 5% of the total population, which was 6.8% in April. Migrants have been blamed for societal problems including a lack of affordable housing and a ramped-up cost of living in Canada. How Canada's new rules will impact Indians. Canada is among the favorite destinations for Indian students. According to the Indian government's data released last month, about 13.35 lakh Indian students are studying abroad, with about 4.27 lakh in Canada. Between 2013 and 2022, the number of Indian students moving to Canada to study has seen a massive rise of 260%. According to a Reuters report earlier this year, about 40% of overseas students in Canada were from India. Foreign Minister of Canada on the new rule. While speaking to the media, Foreign Minister of Canada, Mark Miller stated that coming to the country was not a right but a privilege. Not everybody who wants to move to Canada will be able to do it. They are taking strong action to strengthen temporary residence and planning a comprehensive immigration policy. Impact on Indians. Canada's move to introduce a new immigration policy will leave Indian students with an option to apply for courses elsewhere, the UK, USA, Russia, etc. These changes may have huge effects on young students as Canada tries to get along with the benefits of immigration. The other changes include restricting work permit access to spouses of some students and temporary foreign workers.